through here with 𝗂𝘀 Construction Renovation. Wanted to give you a brief overview of what we found up here on the roof today. You took me up in the attic, and so you showed me what was going on up there. I did climb up here on the roof and checked out this side, which is what you were concerned about. And there is adhesives that look in pretty good condition on the underside of where the fascia capping meets the stucco, also where the drip edge meets the fascia capping, and also where the drip edge meets the shingles. So all of that is sealed continuous all the way down. I don't think you're having a problem up there. The surface here looks pretty solid. You know, could we throw another coat of the 𝗗𝘂𝘀𝘁 stucco paint on that? Yeah, sure, we probably could. So what we did to try to diagnose where the water was coming on is we took the garden hose and I started down here in this bottom area, which is about 11 feet up from the bottom edge of the roof. There's a slight hairline crack in the stucco here. That's pretty normal, especially with the edge of stucco. So we just sort of flooded this area for about 15 minutes and we didn't really find any water getting into the attic. So we moved up a little bit higher and we started flooding this area, and I've already started to cut some of this away, but before I did that, there was some obvious spots here in the sealant where it had started to crack in various different spots, and I just exasperated that, but I didn't do anything on this side, and you can see that that's got some holes in it as well. So that, we thought maybe that was a contributing factor, and when I flooded this face, we did get some in there, but it wasn't the volume that you said you were getting. So then we started shooting at the bottom edge where the wind was driving it, and acting as if the wind was driving it, and just kind of shooting at the base of this. And that's when you said that you found you had a lot more water that was getting in on the inside. So we popped the rivets on this. I pulled this apart. You do have some step flashing in there, which is good. But then when I ran the water down the step flashing down this direction, it really started to come in, and I don't think that was it splashing over the top. I think that was I think there's a problem with that somewhere. I'm not totally sure, but until we basically rip this entire piece out all the way down and start disassembling that step flashing to find out where the problem is, we're not going to know. And of course, to take the step flashing out, we're probably going to wind up disturbing the shingle set. So either I have to go back with mismatched shingles down this up and down this edge here, or what more likely is going to make a lot more sense is for us to actually just reshingle the whole roof, so that you have, we want to put you back the way you were. You know, we don't want to put a mismatched set of shingles that are brand new bright blue over here up against your faded ones on that side. So my recommendation is probably going to be, we're going to reshingle this entire roof as part of the solution for stopping the water from getting in, so that you're back to whole and how you were before this project started. And because we also have a problem in the kitchen, and I already see that this is starting to degrade, whatever the roofers did on this side, my guess is that they did on that side. So we probably should do that side as well, just to make sure that everything is 100%. So that's gonna be my recommendation, I think. I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna talk with my exterior guy, I'm gonna talk with my stucco guy, talk with my roofers, and Norm, my home builder, and we're all gonna put our heads together and see what we feel is the best total solution. But preliminarily, just sitting on the roof, that's what I found. So I'm gonna go discuss this with them. And once we have an answer for you, we'll get back to you with a proposed solution and the cost to which to do that, and we can go from there. So hopefully this was helpful, give you a little bit of tour of the roof. We look forward to serving you soon. Thanks so much. Bye for now.